In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your HubSpot account and manage your contacts effectively. This will help streamline your processes and ensure that your customer data is organized and easily accessible. First things first, let's create your account and set up your company profile. Begin by signing up for a free HubSpot account using your email address. Once you've created and verified your account, it's time to provide some basic information about your company. This will include your company name, the industry you operate in, and the size of your business. It's a good idea to upload your company logo to give your profile a professional look, making sure it represents your brand accurately. Additionally, under the settings menu, you can personalize your account further by setting your preferred currency and time zone. This will help tailor the HubSpot experience to suit your specific business needs and ensure that your transactions and engagements are in line with your operational zone. Now that you have your account and company profile set up, it's time to import and manage your data. Collecting and organizing your existing customer data is a crucial step in this process. Make sure your data is consistent and well organized. It's best to prepare it in a CSV file for an efficient upload. Once your data is ready, go to the Contacts section, then click on Contacts again. Here you'll find the import option where you can upload your prepared CSV file. HubSpot makes it easy to map the columns of your CSV file to the relevant properties in their system, ensuring that all your critical data is correctly categorized and integrated into your new account seamlessly. If you have individual contacts that weren't included in your CSV file, don't worry. HubSpot also gives you the option to add contacts manually. You simply click on the Create Contact button, enter the necessary details, and save it directly into your contacts list. This flexible approach allows you to keep your database updated without hassle, accommodating any new contacts you come across in daily operations. Finally, let's customize the contacts view to improve accessibility and efficiency in managing your data. You have the ability to adjust the columns in your contacts list so that the most important information is displayed at a glance. This might include details such as job titles, phone numbers, or any other key information that's important to your business context. Customizing these views enables you to navigate through your contacts quickly and ensures that you're always able to find the information you need when you need it. By following these simple steps, you'll have a fully functional HubSpot account with an organized contact management system. This setup not only facilitates better customer relationship management, but also sets the foundation for more strategic and efficient business engagements. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you embark on optimizing your HubSpot experience.